Wi-Fi because there are a lot of Wi-Fi in here.
I think so.
Subway. Oh, maybe Subway. This pants was a bad idea. I don't know how you coping with it.
Because I didn't have anything else.
Oh,
I only had skirts.
Same. I have this one and I see me.
Yeah.
I did hard way. I should have done strength training.
Usually stretch after a run, right?
Yeah, after. Yes. Well, I just tend to stretch just when I have time, like just sit in the.
Yeah, I mean.
Thank you. Yes, I'm gonna put it for later.
You can grab one later too, so you don't have to carry it around in your bag if you don't want it now.
I have a bag here. Thank you.
That's what I said. Like this, the starting question is like.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Maybe down is more easier, right? So if we do
Oh, it's so pretty. The picture with the
maybe
tree.
better.
Yeah. But then if you go down this way, then the people will have issue.
Yeah. Agree. Yeah, this
I used to hike in LA.
Yeah. But not. Like hilly, but it's like wide, and like the road is flat. It's not like a lot of rocks. It's a lot of
So after this, after when you do in LA, then you feel very easy.
I'll pass everybody.
Yeah. We'll get strong. like this.
So how long did you stay in Australia?
2 years and a half.
And then yeah, and then I was in New Zealand for 3.5.
How did you like the weather in New Zealand?
Oh, I really like it.
My brother-in-law went and it was like raining all the time.
No, I mean during the winter time for sure. But it's a full season.
Your inner kids is still,
Yeah, my inner
working, you didn't change.
No,
You're so much younger than
I'm
us.
just like a...
Oh, thank you, so sweet.
I like the wind. Good job.
Let's find out.
Let's go there now.
Can we go that way?
I know. That's way. Let's go to that one now.
To where? To where? Be careful. You know, there's a weight. No, there's a weight limit. It's just about to collapse. This platform.
Go down. These are certain things you need to